Scosche introduces the Magic Mount Charge 3, the next evolution of wireless charging. With a choice of 4 base options, there's one to suit every need and supports Apple and Samsung Fast Charge. The Magic Mount Charge 3 is the first vent-mounted wireless charger that provides open access for climate control airflow. You stay comfortable while your phone stays fully visible and fully charged. The Magic Mount Charge 3's wireless charging head delivers up to 10 watts of charging power and is Qi certified. The vent mount's fully articulated swing arm with 2 ball joints independently rotates 360 degrees. And the adjustable magnetic mounting points allow even more maneuverability and endless viewing angles while your phone charges. With its unique open design, the Charge 3 vent holds your device securely and visibly while air from your vent flows freely through. Vent mounts are quick and easy to install and move from vehicle to vehicle. You can move your device to either side, above, or below the vent and adjust the angle, all while the base remains securely anchored. When held in place by the device-safe neodymium magnets, a thermal management gap is created between your phone and the Qi charging head. The gap allows heated air to escape and cooler air to move in.
That's where the CarAid Multi-Tool 3S comes in. This compact, ergonomic handheld device will start just about any vehicle that has a 12-volt battery, including most cars and some lightweight pickups. Just hook up the jumper cables to the corresponding positive and negative terminals and turn the key. As long as your battery life is still at 50% or more, the Multi-Tool 3S will start your engine. Handheld jump-start battery technology is still pretty new, and so far, the devices coming out on the market have been bulky and awkward. So we thought, what if it was shaped like a flashlight? The cylindrical shape fits naturally into the human hand, and it also fits into a cup holder for easy access, or in your glove box, door pocket, or console. So convenient. But the patent-pending CarAid Multi-Tool 3S is so much more than just a jump starter. It's also an escape tool that breaks glass and cuts seatbelts to save your life in case your car goes underwater. The escape tool and cutter are hidden so kids can't accidentally hurt themselves if they get a hold of it. There's also a convenient compass and even a burglar alarm that makes a loud noise to scare off an attacker. And there's also a power bank that lets you charge a phone, laptop, or other device up to 3 times before needing to be charged itself. In case your car breaks down in the dark, this handy multi-tool also features an ultra-bright mega flashlight that shines up to 230 meters or 755 feet. This water-resistant, dirt-resistant, and shock-resistant tool is a must-have for every car owner for both convenience and safety. The Mega Flashlight also acts as an SOS light and an emergency flasher.
Backing up shouldn't have to be a pain. Meet the Zeus Wireless Smart Backup Camera. With no wiring or drilling needed, it easily installs on your license plate in just 10 minutes. Pair with the Zeus app to instantly view everything behind you right on your smartphone and in either direction. Spot an oncoming car much earlier than what you would normally see from just your rearview mirror or other cameras. Other backup cameras give you a 140-degree view, while Zeus Backup Camera gives you a 170-degree wide-angle view. Detect pedestrians early to ensure everyone's safety. Backing up has never been easier or safer with Zeus.
camera in 100 meters. Speed and red light camera in 400 meters.
Hey Siri, create an XR clip.
Saving. You've parked at Paseo Verde Parkway, Henderson.